welcome to the fourth edition of the Data 2020 Summit here in Stockholm. It's nice having you with us, and it's nice partnering with SyncSort for this event. Before we go on, please tell us more about yourself, your background.
Yeah, certainly. So my name is Ben Dunmore. I've been working with SyncSort for over 15 years now. I started at a company called Global Address, which was address processing, capturing addresses. That moved into Trillium Software, which is known for its data quality, best in breed, with Gartner. And then a couple of years ago, SyncSort acquired Trillium. So I've been on that journey for about 15 years now, and sort of specializing in data quality. It's for that.
Ben, the amount of data that is generated and gathered in companies is increasing, an unprecedented pace. So from your perspective, how much are companies successful in maintaining a high level of data quality, since you said you are like an expert in the data quality in their enterprise, and are they investing enough in data quality? We heard a lot about today. We also have a whole stage on data quality.
Yeah. So the most important thing is whether the data is fit for purpose and what it's used for. And that's generally one of the biggest drivers in whether a company invests in that data. There's a lot of uses for that data nowadays with artificial intelligence, machine learning, data visualization. And if the data isn't right, that's often when it pronounces itself as being incorrect. And visually, you spot the errors in that. And that can have downstream effects. Obviously, there's a cost to that when it's not right. So there's a lot of implications of fixing that data. So a lot of the AI specialists are spending. I think we interviewed on a survey that we did. 80% of people said that their AI projects were failing because of the quality of that data, the errors that it was producing, and that's one of the problems. Obviously, AI is based around its algorithms and machine learning, and if the data that's feeding them isn't correct, then you get a bias of an incorrect direction and trend. So you get big problems with that. So there's definitely a need for data quality in any data lake, any big data, or anywhere that's feeding a downstream system. Because you've just got to have the confidence and trust in that data in order to get the best value from it. And that's the key. The value from the data is the key thing.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Garbage in, garbage out, classic.
But what would some of the practices be for achieving actually a good level of data quality?
So it's about cleaning the data whenever you get it. So ultimately, cleaning the data on input is the best way, the best time to do that. But using a Trillium solution, a data quality solution to cleanse that data, either whether that's in a big data lake where a lot of the AI data sits, you can process that data, match it to data governance. So governance, it works with data governance, so with data quality. So you define what that data should look like, and using a tool like Trillium will enable you to validate that data and structure that data in the right format, so that those downstream applications won't fail and you'll get the best value from those.
Ben, there's a lot going on around the hood. This AI, machine learning. We just are still recovering from the GDPR, so lots of things to be considered by the management in order to address all of these future trends, right? So how do they organize their data management so it actually copes up with all of these changes, which are very frequent?
Yeah. Well, again, it's data quality. So if you can fix that data, then you haven't got to necessarily worry about what's going to happen or whether you're going to get the true return back on your AI and other solutions. And if you think about the new trends coming in, the blockchains, the AI, with blockchain, for example, if it's wrong at the beginning, it's very hard to change that's the whole idea, that you can't really change the data with blockchain as it goes through. So it's going to feed that system all the way through with incorrect data. So again, using DQ products to cleanse that data, using governance closely tied with DQ, data quality.
That's how you can control it. Awesome. Ben, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us, for partnering with us, and for conducting this interview.
No problem.
My pleasure.